Hi there, welcome along to another edition of Extra Time Unlocked right here on Igagasi FM. Igama lami Ayanda Wakanyuswa, and I'm going to be your host of this week's edition of show. So kuleli viki, we are going to be turning our attention to the sport of boxing as we build up to quite an exciting fight ezobe khona later on kule nyanga ngomhla ka-18 ku-April. It is a South African super middleweight title fight that will see KZN's very own Snamiso Ntuli up against Dylan Prosser at Fight Island down in Cape Town. So welcoming on the show namhlanje is uGodide umfoka Ntuli Snamiso, who is of course going to be challenging for the title. He's the number one contender in the South African middleweight division right now. Godide, thank you so much for isikhathi sakho mfowabo baba sikwamukele kwiGagasi FM.
Siyabonga kakhulu ukusimukela nathi siyabonga ukuthi sibe la kwiGagasi FM.
Mphemba mhlawumbe asibuyele nje emuva kancane for umuntu umlaleli nombukelo sekhaya ongamazi uSnamiso wakantuli ukuthi ungubani. You started boxing, you've been boxing for isikhathi eside njengamanje, so how would you describe uSnamiso and also your journey so far with boxing?
uSnamiso umfana waseMnambithi, uthuka eMnambithi, boxing wayiqala eStillville. La ngisuka khona engizalelwe khona ise-Ilfal. Ilokho nje ngisuka kuyo. Indawo yangakithi yonke ke leyo imikelo ngaqala 2013 ukwenza iboxing. Still now I'm in the line.
So uqala uneminyaka emingaki? Because mangaphosisi manje mhlawumbe you are 29 or 30. Uqala uneminyaka engaki iboxing?
Iboxing iqale ngimncane kakhulu kodwa uqala ukungena eringini bengina 13 years. Uqala ukucompete yeah, bengina 13 years.
Yini eqoquzelayo ukuthi ungene ekuboxing? Mhlambe influence abantu ohlala nabo, mhlambe abantu abakukhulisa, wangena kanjani kwi sports seboxing?
Iboxing ngangena ngothando. Nawo ukuthi bengumfana ube qhathiwe, umfana bethanda nje ukuthi magnesium etholakala khona nje empini leyo. Futhi ngihlabana impela nje ngingadlali. Bengithatha icoco khona la etradini. Awusilandise ke mhlambe ngecareer yakho as an amateur, because siyazi ukuthi excuse me, wathena pro ngo2017. So siyidiscussion ulwa as an amateur, so mhlambe nje uma ungasidwebela isithombe ngowakwenza as an amateur, mhlambe the accolades that you've collected along the way. Amateur background ngihambe kakhulu, ngidlale kakhulu, ngisuke ngaqala kuma-Salga Games, khona indawo ekuthiwa ama-Salga Games, sihlangana ama-province ngayi-gold medalist. Ngangena kuma-SA Games la kuhlangana khona ama-province ngayi-champion nakhona. Ngaqhubeka ngakompeta, ngangena ku-Team South Africa, ngayi-gold medalist eZimbabwe kuhlangenwe ama-country. Yeah, iboxing yenze kakhulu nje, nginama-medal amaningi for i-amateur. Ngiyenza nje futhi nginothando. Iboxing ngiyayibonga empilweni, ingenzele okukhulu noma ingiqoqile abanye bengikhula nabo. Mhlawumbe ngathi njengamanje abasekho abanye emhlabeni ngendlela ukuthi abakwazange kuyiphatha. Iboxing ingiqoqe kakhulu, yangikhombisa indlela yokureplace umuntu ukuthi okay, umuntu momrepair umlenza nje, umenze kanje. Yeah.
So ikunikeze leyo discipline nje empilo in overall.
Ukurepair umuntu nje, ukuhlonipha umuntu noma ukuhlonipha nje, ukuba nomthetho nje, ukwazi ukuthi hey, lokho ngikwenza akukho right, lokho ngikwenza akukho right. Ungifundisile nje impilo. Kuze kube manje imigomo yakhona ngisayibambile, ngisahamba ngayo discipline.
So uyaqala ngo2013, that's officially your amateur career starting all the way to 2017, and then you're turning pro with i-fight yakho yokuqala against uCela Musa. Mhlambe nje usilandise ngesinqumo sakho to turn pro. Siyazi ukuthi kwi-boxing asikho isikhathi esibekiwe ukuthi umuntu angabe amateur for this long. It's always a decision where you feel ukuthi usuready ukuthi uye pro, noma mhlambe abantu osebenzisana nabo, maybe your trainer, maybe i-manager yakho esibona ukuthi usukulungela ukuthi ungathatha leyo step up into i-pro. So kuwena kwafika kanjani ukuthi leso sinqumo siqhamuka ukuthi now I want to turn pro, ngibe i-boxer elilwa for imali?
into eyangenza ukuthi ngithinishe i-professional ngangifisa ukuthi ngithinishe i-professional kodwa ulwazi lungekho noma ngathi la ngangikhona kumnandi kakhulu noma ngangitravela sihamba amahhotela for amateur ubuye namamedali kodwa kungekho imali
ekhona
engenayo. Abazali bebuza hayibo kanti lento lena uyenzelani yini into yenzisa yini ungayeki lento
uyosebenza
ngaze ngangena ke ku professional sekungenile abanye babafowethu abahamba bebuya nemali ayindoda lento leyakubambezela ngagcina ngidecide ngingedwa ukuthi no awe ngiye lapha ngibona ukuthi kwenziwani.
Hayi wafika ke obviously now I think it's close to 10 years now as a professional boxer in South Africa. Njengamanje you are the number 1 contender for the South African super middleweight title okuyi division in a competition kakhulu, but uma sibuka kule minyaka edlule ngonyaka odlule specifically I think mina ngicina ukubona eringini kwaku December wangonyaka odlule khona la eThekwini. I think you fought enye insizwa le Zimbabwe uThembani Mhlanga uma ngaphosisi. It was a clinical performance by you wakwazi ukuthi umhlule nge-knockout, but ifight yakho yokugcina awuzikwazanga ukuthi uphumelele. I think it was in Namibia against uNjolonimo. Mhlawumbe nje just take us through ama lessons wathathile kuleyo fight. You've lost fights before, you've won many fights as well. Mhlawumbe nje as a boxer i-loss uyibuka kanjani? Uthatha izifundo noma mhlawumbe uyabuka ukuthi la kumele ngilungise la ngishiye lokho ngenze lokho? How do you react to losing a fight, especially going into a fight enkulu kangaka ke manje against Dylan Prosser?
Indaba yokulokho nje ama fight ingqilaze kakhulu yona ecishe yangiqeda uthando nje lesibhakela ku professional akufani amateur. If udlala ku professionally kuya ngerecord lakho ukuthi okay njengoba une record uqeda kuwina uyadlala, the more winner the more wathola more
amathuba,
the more shy the more setshenziswa kakhulu ukuthi okay lo sokhuphuka ngathi be stepis. Into engayisho kakhulu kubalaleli na kuma boxer iyasilimaza kakhulu into yokungabi nepromotion noma njengoba singanayo promotion thina kahle siyabazingeli siyaphuma siyofuna inyamazana. If une promotion ekuprotectayo ekwazi ukuthi ufunani yona yakucingela ukuthi indoda loya umuntu loya ungakwazi ukuthi umsebenzise uthole lento oyifunayo. Manje thina njengoba singanayo promotion sisebenza kanzima ukuthi sithole inyamazane lapha. Inyamazane yagijima moto nogwaja mele ugijime nawe ukuze uyithole nawe lokho nje. Inyamazane sengisho ukuthi njengoba ngaphuma ngaya eNamibia ngangiyozingela ngafika ngayifica inyamazane yafika ngishiya. Namanje ngiyaphuma futhi ngiyozingela eCape Town inyamazane kumele ngibambe ayikwazi ukungishiya kaningi ngisho ukuthi angicuphi kahle mayikanjalo. Sengisho ukuthi akhona ama promotion eKZN is a big promotions mangathi ngiyaqalisa kukhona Starline kukhona inomvelo ingihode kakhulu ingibambe kakhulu yangenza nje iyona ngeze nga active kube yiyo inomvelo kube khona sana kufika ihlula dladla kube khona idladla
uGoda Freed
isana kufika nayo mase kuba maningi nje ngiwaqede kodwa nje amakhulu kube khona neludonga nayo yilokho nje endala nje KZN ikwazileke lesana kufika walithila ama champion akhona ama champion akhona nathi istability sethu kufika kwaso sina i-champion ifikile i-champion iKZN ibhizi kodwa manje i-promotion esikhala ngayo ukuthi mangakhona i-promotion active engathi ukuthi nginabafana bami ngibakhiqizayo kanjani ethi nje KZN all ibe busy nje KZN.
Mhlambe kumuntu osekhaya ozibuzayo ukuthi uchaza ukuthini umuthi i-promotion inlekelele, usho ukuthi mhlambe ngoba siyazi ukuthi emhlabeni jikelele the big promotions worldwide bavamisa ukuthi bathatha ama fighters bawafaya ngaphansi kwawo. So if you're looking at the biggest, most famous boxers emhlabeni kusebenza kanjalo. So la South Africa and specifically like KZN kwenziwa kanjani kwi-boxing? Ama promotions ayabathatha ansignise under a promotion noma nje ayanthatha for specific events athi woza sinamisa uzodwa and then kwi-fight yakhe elandelayo uphinde uyongena kwenye.
Njengoba uyichaza nje iyona if unganayo promotion njengoba uyiboxer nje unganayo promotion ulindela lokho okuqhamukayo uthiwa nayisa icontract sinamiso udlala nebox ekuthile njengoba ngikwenzela example njengoba ngiyiCape Town iCape Town lo mfana ngiyodlala naye promotion yakhe ipromoter yena mina ngizozingela mina kumele ngizingele ngishaya ipromotion ngishaye nabo ngishaye neboxer yebo.
So would you say mhlambe iyona challenge enkulu ekhona njengamanje for wena as a boxer umubuka nje ilandscape yeboxing eSouth Africa, would you say mhlambe that's the biggest challenge enibhekane nayo?
Ngisho kanjalo ngingengedwa-ke ipromotion akuyona into encane. Ufikile umfowabo Ntuli wafika ngamandla amakhulu futhi ngiyacabanga futhi sazobuya ngeke ngimazi ukuthi amandla endoda anganana. Ufikile ubaba uDladla wafika ngamandla amakhulu futhi sambona. Sikhona iStarline safika ngamandla amakhulu uNosisi Nomvelo. uSisi Nomvelo iboxer ke noma enza beyazi ukuthi nama boxer engihambe nayo indima. Lo sisi ngimhlonipha kakhulu nje kuyo yonke into akayenza noma kanjani. Ukwazile ukusigada so amabox ukuthi no iboxer leli noma kuba khona lokhu kucindezeleka kodwa beyazi ukuthi I know ngizomfaka usinayo ebhilini noma ngizomfaka usibanibani. Ngiyichampion nje eKZN ngithathe kuNomvelo kunama fight angaphezulu kwa5 ngiwathathe kuNomvelo. uNomvelo nje ngihlonipha kakhulu ize kunamanye kamabox kumele sicompete nawo anaye selokhu yakhe. Kodwa nje ipromotion leyo engiyikhonzile futhi ngiyikhulekela ngayo lonke ilanga ukuthi ingaze nje ishone phansi ngazathi ngahlezi imile. Ilandile umfowabo Mchunu wazodlala eWBC sambona phambi kwethu kwenzeka lokho kwenzeka kodwa nje ipromotion nje engihloniphayo.
No kezwakala Godide, before sivale mntakababa, let's talk about a fight yakho that's coming up ngomhla ka18 kuyinyanga kaApril against Dylan Prosa. So uProsa is someone that you've been looking or targeting for isikhathi eside manje. Siyazi ukuthi inkulumo zazihleze zikhona ukuthi mhlawumbe khona obalekela omunye. When uyibona kanjani, do you feel like it's been a long time coming ukuthi ulwe naye? You feel like you should have fought him earlier?
Yeah, thank you for another elinye ithuba lokudlalela iSA for eCape Town. Yeah, ifight ngiready ngayo yonke indlela 100% ukuthi ngiready ukuthi lo mfana ngimkhombisa ukuthi ngimdala egemini yena uyafika if efika yena kumele mina ngimukele ngezandla zombili ngimzwisa ukuthi kuyashisa la ndoda kuyabanda la if ezozwisa mina into ekade ngafika kushuthi umsebenzi awukho kushuthi nama ngezilutho anginyukeli phezulu kodwa nje engingakusho kulo mfo ngiyakuye akabe ready for eCape Town ababe ready abangilindela ukuthi uSinamiso uyeza. Cape Town you know Sinamiso I'm fighting before Kalakozi
So mhlambe yini ongathi uyilindele kuyena? Uyasho ukuthi usamncane egamini. I think he's had about 8 fights and he's won all 8 fights, so he's undefeated. You're fighting against an undefeated fighter. Yini mhlambe ongathi uyilindele kuyena? And also, how excited are you ukuthi yola lapha eFight Island?
Yeah, ngakadlala nangaphambilini iboxer iboxer if uyiboxer kumele unike indawo yayo unike futhi nangendlela ukwazi ukuthi mase sesering inike ndoda sekuphelile ke sesila manje. Njengamanje ukuthi uphetheni uzanani angafu nje ukuthi ngize ngimnake nje mina kumele ngenze lokho engizokwenza ngiphume ngihambe eCape Town.
Mhlambe Godide, are you the type of fighter othanda ukusho ukuthi fight uzoyinqoba kanjani noma ufuna nje ukwenza all the talking eringini?
Mina ngiyena umuntu oneyinqumo wenza inqumo zami ngiyigcine ngaphakathi noma ngenza noma ngiprepare noma ngini kuze kudide ko coach ukuthi hawo usinawa quite mhlawumbe emva kwefight ngikwazi ukuthi okay ngikwazi ukukhululeka kodwa nje ifight if ngizwa ngaphakathi ukuthi yayibona ke le eqondane nami le engiyakuyo iyona fight engiyakuyo eqondane nami noma yena ongimemezile umfana mncane angimthathi ngokuthi mncane ngimtrainalize ukuthi ngiyodlala no Floyd Mayweather umuntu already and futhi naye already kuba i-champion noma sonke sifuna kuba ama-champion akekho othujimela ukuluza
yeah
so
I know mfoka Ntuli siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho siyakuzwa mfethu istory sakho uyasikhuluma kahle obviously an important fight that is coming up sikufisela konke okuhle ngathi ungabuya nalo ibhande and become officially the South African super middleweight champion.
Hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu but ngalokho okunye ngizokucela kwenzeke nje kubaphathi noma ibaphi abaphathi abaveza ukuthi isibhakela yini isibhakela sinama champion like as it enaphethe like ama SA ama APU sine champion nje kwathina nje sine champion enkulu eshaya i-champion ekade isixakile nje isixakile khona eKZN mayisha futhi kwavele wathuleka kwangazathi akenza ngalutho isifiso sami uphikelelana wakho malo lo engikhuluma ngayo isifiso sami ukuthi ekhona ama champion usana defender uSibisi eDandi unkosi ngiphile Sibisi ukhona futhi uSibisi omunye useDandi ekhona ama champion eDandi mhlambe ngenze example if uzongena eDandi asiwabone eboardini ukuthi no nanga umuntu advertisewe i-champion i-boxing ukubhaxa amabhanda akhe uza la eThekwini uzongena la umbone uSting ukuthi okay na i-champion le ilokhu champion le ilokhu nja i-ready for isibhakela into kanjalo engifisa ukuthi bekwazi ukusimaketha noma sikwazi ukuyimaketha ngayo ukuthi abangene sasibabona sisakhula Jabupule bekhahlela ibhola uShabalala bekhahlela ibhola emabhodini bengasho lutho nje ku-advertise ukuthi no i-soccer player le nathi sikufisayo ukuthi sizame nje ukuthola leyo lokhunja nje ukuthi mase siba nediscipline ke amaboxer akwazi ukuyiphatha akuhlangani bhodi mozothi wenza iboxing ube wenza utshwala ngaphuza utshwala uyabhema ubhizi namantombazane hayi ayibisangeneleka uphoxa thina kuthiwa hawu sonke lesikhathi lo muntu lo nobenzani ugcina kukhona abantu abangaphansi kwethu amaboxer angaphansi kwethu anyukayo enyuka lamaboxer afuna ukuzoshaya wena mayefika sekushaya afika nenkulumo vela hayi lo ubengezi kanje bazomshaya iloko nje bengifisa siphinde sibonge nakubalandeli siphinde sibonge futhi nama followers sibonge naGagasi FM.
Siyabonga Godide you've said quite a mouthful siyathemba ukuthi abaphathi balalele people who are in higher positions are going to be able to listen to imessage yakho and implement lezi zinto eshoyo ukuthi nithi ukuyithola nani leyo support. Siyazi ukuthi boxing in yesteryears was one of the biggest sports in South Africa in terms of popularity nje kwakuthi makuphela ibhola ku TV kungena iboxing emva kwalokho ngezikhathi nje lezi za prime time. So siyathemba ukuthi ngelinye ilanga the sport of boxing in South Africa will once again reach leyo level nibuyele phezulu futhi njengama boxer. Siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho Mfoka Ntuli and all the best for ifight yakho. And that's a wrap of this week's edition of the Extra Time Unlocked. Godide simfisela okuhle kwifight yakhe ngomhla ka 18 ku April. It's a wrap for this week. We're going to be back with more next week.